Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the VAN 1067 error in Valorant. I'll go through a few different solutions. These solutions are quick and easy to try. You won't need to change any complicated settings. So let's get started with the first solution. First, make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. Once you've updated Windows, move on to the first solution. Search for Services and open it. Find VGC in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. For startup type, select Automatic. Then click Apply. Now click Start. Once the service starts, click OK and close everything. Now launch Valorant and check if the error is fixed. If you're still getting VAN 1067, move on to the next solution. Search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type IP Protocol Configuration /flushtons. Press Enter. Then type Netch WinSock Reset. Press Enter. Once both commands are finished, close Command Prompt and restart your PC. After restarting, launch Valorant and check again. If the error is still there, move on to the final solution. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows check for an available driver. Once that's done, restart your PC and try Valorant again. If none of these solutions work, try reinstalling Valorant and Riot Vanguard. If the error is still there, tell me in the comments what problem you're facing. I'll try my best to help. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.